Now you will listen the special update in English.
In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed deep concern over the plight of illegally detained All-Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders and activists, including its chairman Masrat Alam Butt, and said that the Modi-led Indian fascist regime is hell-bent on eliminating Hurriyat leadership in hellish jails. The All-Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, deplored that many Hurriyat detainees, including Muhammad Yasin Atai, Ayaz Akbar, Amir Hamza and Raja Mirajuddin Kalwal, were not allowed to join the last rites of their parents, spouses and children in Kashmir. He added that the mother of Muhammad Yasin Malik is critically ill, but he is unable to look after her as he is languishing in New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail. The spokesman urged the United Nations Council for Human Rights and other international human rights organizations to impress upon India to release all Kashmiri political leaders without any further delay. Meanwhile, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in Manjakot area of Rajouri district. A policeman was found dead at Shiri in Baramulla, while in another incident, a 20-year-old Kashmiri student was found hanging in college hostel in Punjab, India. Transporters held a protest demonstration at Press Enclave in Srinagar to press for the release of the payments of their vehicles hired by the authorities during local bodies elections in the territory last year. Protest demonstrations were also held in different areas of Samba district against the surge in illegal mining activities, particularly after the revocation of Jammu and Kashmir's special status by Modi-led fascist Indian government on August 5, 2019. National Conference Chairman Farooq Abdullah, in a media interview in Srinagar, warned that lava is building in Kashmir and it will take pro-India politicians, including him, down. He said that BJP government is trying to rig the future assembly elections to get its 5th August 2019 actions ratified, as rejection of the Delhi's moves would be embarrassing for India. On the other hand, representatives of several Indian diaspora organizations in the United States at a Zoom conference called upon the U.S. State Department to seek resignation from Ambassador Atul Keshav for holding a meeting with the leaders of Hindu extremist organization RSS. The event, titled Dismantling Global Hindutva, was virtually organized by Center for Asian Studies and co-sponsored by faculty entities at 50 American universities from Friday till Sunday. It discussed the death threats given to the speakers by the Hindutva extremists for arranging the conference. A 24-year-old Dalit girl was brutally murdered, most probably by supremacist Hindu extremists in Bijnor district of India's Uttar Pradesh state, which is run by a fanatic Hindu leader, Yogi Adityanath. The family members of the girl, who was a former national champion in Kho-Kho, said that she was sexually assaulted too. Police have registered the case, but culprits are yet to be nabbed. And in the state of Telangana, an elderly French national was found murdered near Himayat Sagar on the outskirts of the capital Hyderabad. The body of Marie Christina, who was missing since Thursday last, was recovered from the bushes near a reservoir. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sada, Hurriyat, Jammu Kashmir.